If you find yourself working abroad, it will help to set the Visual Studio user interface to your native language. If English is not your native language, it can help to change the environment language when you want to follow along with an online tutorial, since most of them are in English. You can have multiple language packs installed at once, and they can easily be changed to meet your needs. Step 1. Start the Visual Studio installer. You might require administrator rights for this step. Step 2. In the Visual Studio installer, you will see all versions of Visual Studio you have installed. Next to Visual Studio 2022, click on the Modify button. In the Modifying window, switch to the Language Packs tab. Select which languages you would like to install. When all language packs you need have been selected, click on the Modify button at the bottom right corner. You must have at least one language selected. Wait until the Visual Studio installer finishes and click on the Launch button next to Visual Studio 2022. Step 3. Open a project or select Continue without code. Select Tools from the menu bar at the top of Visual Studios. Select Options from the drop-down menu. Under Environment, you will find International Settings. Select the down arrow on the Language drop-down box and select the language that you would like Visual Studio to use. Only the languages you have installed are available here. Step 4. Restart Visual Studio, and you will see that it is now in the language you have selected. You have successfully changed the language used by Visual Studio. Please like, subscribe, and share for more content. Attack of the Code. Concise and to the point.